Exercise 10.3. I told you in the last video that question number 3 is little bit lengthy. So we'll discuss in this video. Okay. So question number 3 was left from this exercise. It says if two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their centers lies on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. If two circles intersect at 2 points, this is A and B. They intersect at 2 points. This is circle with center O and this is circle with center O dash. Okay. So, prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector. Their centers, this is a line which is joining both the centers. So, these centers are lying on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. Where is the common chord? Common chord is here. This is AB, is common chord. It is chord for this circle with center O and this circle whose center is O dash. Okay. So this is common chord. So we have to show that this is the O dash and AB are perpendicular to each other. Simply. Okay. So let us start it. Given two circles, okay, to prove if they are intersecting each other at suppose M. So angle AMO is equal to angle AMO dash, both are of 90 degree, that we have to show. Okay. Now construction is simple. That construction we have to make. We have to join this AO, BO, AO dash, BO dash. Okay. Join AO and BO and AO dash and BO dash. Okay. Now let us start the proof. So first of all, what triangles we can see here? The triangle OAO dash, OBO dash. If they will be congruent, then this angle and this angle will be equal to each other. Then we will show that these two triangles are congruent. Then similarly, then in that way we can show these both the angles are of 90 degree. Let us see. In triangles OAO dash and OBO dash, what are the things which are equal? OA is equals to OB, OA is equals to OB, radii of the same circle. Both are the radii of the same circle. Now similarly O dash A, O dash B, they are also radii of the same circle. Okay. And OO dash is common. Yes. OO dash is common. So triangle OAO dash is congruent to triangle OBO dash. O dash. Okay. So now we can write angle AOO dash. Angle AOO dash is equal to angle BOO dash. BOO dash, or since this result is because of simplicity, or angle AOM is equals to angle BOM. Why BOM? Because M and O dash are on the same line. So this angle can be written as AOO dash. Instead of AOO dash, AOM also we can write. Similarly, BOM. Okay, so we'll be using this. Take this as equation number 1. Now, here in triangles AOM and triangle BOM, Now again these two triangles also we have to show that they are congruent. AO and OB, same reason, they are equal. Radii of the same circle. OM is common. And this one, angle AOM is equal to angle BOM using equation number 1. Using equation number 1. So this result also we have proved by SSS congruency rule, but this result is proved by side, this angle and this side, this side, this angle and this side. So triangle AOM is congruent to triangle BOM by side angle side congruency rule. Now we have what? This AM is equals to BM and angle AMO and BMO are also equal. This implies AM is equals to BM and angle AMO is equal to angle BMO, both by CPCT. Both by CPCT. I am changing the color because now the result will be there. So here AB is the chord. It is a line segment. So angle on a angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So this angle and this angle they will pair up to give 180. Angle AMO plus angle BMO is equals to 180 and both are equal. So we can replace one angle with another one. So twice of angle AMO is equals to 180 and angle AMO is equals to 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. So we have proved that the line or the centers of the two common circles are lying on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So this is the result. I hope you have understood. Now the next topic is equal chords and their distances from the center. Equal chords and their distances. From the center. Okay? See. This is a circle with center O. If we have two chords, this is A, B and this is C, D. If the chords will be equal, students, definitely their distances from the center also will be equal. Yes. This is the distance. Okay. This is P and this is Q. So if AB is equals to CD, then OP is equals to OQ. So this is the result. This is the theorem. Actually, theorem 10.6. Equal chords of a circle or of congruent circles also. Here the same circle we are talking about. The two congruent circles if we have, then they will have the equal chords also. So of congruent circles are equidistant from the centers. So this is the result and the converse of it is also true. This is the one part and the next part is if OP is equals to OQ, then AB is equals to CD. So if the distances of two chords in a circle are equal, then definitely the length of the chords will also be equal. Okay. So this result will give us so many interesting questions and solutions that we will see out in the next video. And exercise 10.4 also we will discuss. Thank you.